that Davido should donate that money to poor citizens. That Davido did not deserve the money. People, how y'all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depends on where you're watching me from. If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, you are hardly welcome. Yeah, take your seat, Hey, welcome. Thank you for joining. My name is Vivian. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Spain with my husband. Thank you very much for clicking. If you enjoy watching this video, do not forget to subscribe, turn on your icon there, yeah, so that whenever I upload, you'll be getting notification. I do lifestyle vlog and sit down video just like this, okay? Thank you everyone, and thank you as many that have been supporting, sharing my videos, liking my videos. You guys are super amazing. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are loved, okay? Thank you everyone. So guys, that's enough of the intro. Thank you. So guys, I know you guys have seen the topic of this video or title whatsoever, okay? So the reason why I'm doing this video is because of what Special Advisor to Delta State Governor said concerning Davido's donation. Yeah, I said let me talk about it. So all these people, they see poor people for outside there. So before that, let's talk about the donation. Some people said Davido deserve that money. Yes, for me, I will say yes, because Davido have touched a lot of lives. Davidos have drawn all those young stars, draw them to as in bring them from God's side. Let me just use that word, help them grow. You understand? We've seen a lot. We've seen nobody. If you're on Instagram, you will know what I'm talking about, that Davido have really tried for the life of young artists, okay? Not all, but some, okay? And I was play when I saw the first post that he needs 1 million each from all his friends. I was like, okay, me, I was hoping like 20 million, 30 million, honestly. And that I was like, oh, he's going to get a lot today, like 20 or 30. Behold, hey, the thing end. The last one I checked before doing this video, 140 something million naira. Guys, 140 something million naira. Trust our Nigerian, trust Nigerian citizen. A lot of people will be dropping comments. Some will say, oh, so that means some celebrity, not even some, they can help Nigeria, they can develop Nigeria. While others said that Davido need to Davido is not supposed to beg for the money. For me, I will not say that he begged for it. Yeah, even if he begged for it, he do it with style, and he deserves it, okay? And a lot of people said he's broke. For me, I do not think Davido is broke. I just think, oh, he wanted to do it for fun, and the thing begin to enter, okay? It's not his fault, oh, guys. If you have opportunity, grab it, okay? And a lot of celebrities started bringing out their accounts. Okay, for people to donate for them, like the video. And there's a comment I saw when someone said that bringing out account is not a problem. Have you touched people's life before? Have you guys helped people before, like Davido? And play true, a lot of celebrity started bringing out their account number. Yeah, okay, I was like, oh, should I also bring my own? It would be me. When celebrity is not ashamed again to ask for a lot, okay, who be me? So that's for that, okay, that's for fun. So that is it. And guys, some people said Davido can use the money to help. A lot of people are just bringing out their opinion. And for helping the citizens of Nigeria, celebrity can, with the love I saw throughout yesterday concerning Davido donation. True, if some celebrity want to, I know it's their money, nobody should go and drag it with them. They deserve it, guys, because they work for it, okay? So even Dangote, guys, Dangote is still looking for money. Dangote alone can help Nigeria if he wants to do it, okay? Yes. If all those top people start leading, helping, maybe all those celebrities will follow their nyash. Yeah, let's be sincere. All those are big billionaire, millionaire in Nigeria. They can help. At least they can help a full state. Let's be sincere. Some people said some celebrity, all these celebrity need to help Nigerians. Nigerians are suffering. See the way they are donating for Davido. Some even a big celebrity said if it is poor person that comes out to ask for this money, even 1 million, he will not even see 500,000, not to talk of 1 million. Yes, because Davido deserve it. That's why people donate. And one thing, someone also said that people should learn from this, that the rich help the rich to get richer, while the poor gossip each other and become and be poor more. Okay, for that, how do you guys see it? See, I noticed that is true. Rich people help rich people. Just look at YouTube. Big YouTuber follow big YouTuber. So that, I believe her, that rich people help rich people to get to the top, to get more money. You understand? So for that, I believe that lady. Yes, look at YouTube today. Big YouTuber, they don't send any small YouTuber. It's only the big ones that go and support each other. Okay, so that is what that. Let's go straight to World Special Advisor. Okay, so Delta State Governor said that Davido should donate that money to poor citizens. That Davido did not deserve the money. I was like, really? So all these government officials, they are seeing our poor people in the street. So they know that all these poor people, they are living. Poor people are there that need help. Why not tell your governor? Why not? In fact, even him that we are saying, special advisor to governor, they also have money. Why not make the example? Now you are telling someone that they gifted 140 million to donate it to the poor. Why not go to our governor, your own sole governor, tell him that, oh, there are poor people on the street, go and help. See, if it's another person in Italy that said this thing, I will not come out to talk. Okay, maybe ordinary Nigerian citizen will just come out, oh, Davido, donate this money to the poor. Is his opinion, not government official. Nigerian I play. We like play. When we, in fact, I was like, this girl fucked up. Why will you even put such post? I'll put it here, guys. You guys will read it for yourself. Why will you even put it out there for people to come and see? Should that work with the governor? Instead of you to go and tell your own governor that you are working with to help Nigerian citizens that are poor. You are coming to tell someone that they gifted 140 million. What is 140 million when it comes to the money our government earn? That they even gain a day. I think they get more than that 140 million a day. Okay, they have money. We have money in our country. So coming to celebrity, telling celebrity to go and return the money to poor people, for me, I think it's a joke. You just want to have fun. Let's be sincere. You have the opportunity to tell governor. You work with governor, advisor. You guys know what's advisor? I don't know if there's another meaning for that. Advisor means someone, for example, I have an advisor. When I'm going wrong, you'll be the one to tell me when something is going on, you'll be the one to come and advise me. Why not advise your own governor to help poor cities? People are really poor, okay? So that is it, guys. I just think that guy is joking, okay? For me, he's joking. Just want people to notice him more, okay? So that is for that. And for celebrity, if you guys have power to help the poor, you guys can do it. At least, let's just say, okay, maybe celebrity gather together and said, oh, this one is my own opinion, guys. Nobody should take it personal. Maybe celebrity will just gather and they say, okay, let's donate for the poor. They donate this kind of 140 million. Nigerians, see, we are saying Nigeria poor. Some Nigerians are badly rich. They are rich. Now, people complain, oh, things are expensive. There are people that don't even care if the thing is expensive because the money is there. That's one thing about that country. The poor, they will poor over poor, while the rich will rich over rich, okay? So for me, if some celebrity gather this kind of 140 million, guys, do you know how many lives that will change in Nigeria? Even 200,000, giving it to a family to start up a business, it will touch more than 100,000's life. You understand? So that is for that. Thank you everyone for watching. I think that guy was joking. Special advisor to Delta State government. Did it make me laugh? I just come out here to say it and have fun with it. Thank you everyone for watching. Oh, be me. See, the video is hard to come and beg people for money. It's not beg like, okay, let me just say, the video comes out to tell people donate for me. Oh, be me that will not be begging you guys. I will keep begging you guys, so keep supporting me. Keep supporting me. Keep sharing my video. The video can say it in public. Oh, be me that. I don't want to say. I want to go more than this. So joke apart, support your baby girl, share. You can bless me. Oh, the video say it, and people are blessing the video. Guys, if you want to bless me, if you want to, that one still dash me money. That's what I will still come out and tell you guys. So people are donating. Joke apart, I love every one of you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching, let me know your own thoughts in the comment section concerning what the social governor said, special advisor, okay, that the video should return the money to. See, I'm saying it, I'm laughing because it's funny to return the money to the poor. In that it's close to governor. It's supposed to tell the governor to do that. Thank you, everyone. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Peace out.